As we all know that this year we are celebrating the centenary of Mr. John Knox Bokwe. So our production is based on that. We are celebrating his life through the Eastern Cape music and dances, especially indigenous instruments as well. So our production this year is titled Indibane, which is the gathering of the tribes of the Eastern Cape in celebration of Mr. Bokwe's life. We have indigenous instruments, for example, Oadi, Marimba, Umkhupe, Istorotoro, and we also have one of the instruments from Zimbabwe, which is called Indira. The production consists of 30 dancers. I think we have about 80 musicians, and the rest are dancers.
So far, this dance and production and experience have been amazing. I've learned a lot, especially with contemporary. I'm not used to it. I'm used to doing hip-hop, so I've learned a few new cultures. The challenges I've faced here basically is the language barrier. Sometimes I don't understand, but other than that, the dances are nice, they are friendly, and yeah.
Ngale production so far ndihipi ngoba izinto ziyalungiseka ngoku, things are coming together.